Today I show you how to make a pie chart where it's this round shape with like a pizza, more like a pizza chart I would call it, but it's pie chart that you have different pieces. It's very easy. It's very easy once you have the data arranged. So let's get into it and I'll show you. Okay, I'll show you now how to create a pie chart. So a pie chart is usually useful for percentages or a share of an amount, for example 10%, 50%, and then there's 30 more left, so 20% and 5%, 5%, and 0% like this, 0. So this is going to be our example here, and I will select the share, the whole table here, user ID and the share, and I'm in the home tab now, but I go afterwards to insert, and here I can get recommended charts, and there are a few options for recommended charts, but we were talking about pie charts now, so this is our pie chart, and that's the progress. And actually it's mapping to the wrong value here because it's updating, but you see it's updating in real time. I like that. It's pretty nice actually. So we can share, we can see a quick overview of the progress here. But if I wanted to get the amount from here, from the chart, I could choose select data, and I have progress and amount, and I will choose amount for now, and this is the amount now. And if I reduce this one to 50%, 50, amount 50, or even 5, you see that they are reduced. And I right click here and then select data on it, and I can choose share. This should be more simple. So the share here is going to be, I could even put this 500% because it doesn't really have to add up to 100. First I made them here to add to 100, but it's really not necessary. It doesn't really matter. They are relative to each other, so this is the thing that matters. So I can right click on the chart and select data and go to the progress as before. You can have multiple styles. To recap, you select the table, the data you want to do the pie chart for. I select the progress only now, and then on the insert tab here, you click on the pie chart and you have multiple options, even a donut or a 3D version, but I think the simple pie chart is really the most useful one. And the data is updated automatically. As you change things in the Excel, the pie chart is updated in real time. Perfect. That's it. It's so simple. Don't forget to save your documents. Thanks for watching, and this is how you make a pie chart in Microsoft Excel, as easy as you saw it. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below if this video helped you, or leave a video request if you want to see a specific video and I might just make it for you. Leave a comment in the comment section below how this video helped you, and if you're looking for something else, let me know, make a video request below and I might do it for you. So if I can do it, you can do it also. If I can do it, I will do it for you to show you how to do something in Microsoft Excel, Word, and office in general, office work. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Use the subscribe button below, somewhere here or here. Okay, thanks for watching. Once you have the data arranged in the way you want it, it's really easy. So let's get into it. In